Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create partition in Windows 10 and Windows 11. To create a new partition in Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can use the built-in disk management tool. Here's how you can do it. First, you need to open the disk management, press the Windows plus X at the same time. And after that, you'll get an interface like this. What you have to do is go to the disk management over here. Select that and you'll get into the interface like this. What you have to do is simply take this right over here and right click on that option. And after that, you'll get this option and click on the shrink volume over here. Now it's querying the volume for available shrink space. So you need to wait for some time. And after that, what you have to do is we could see enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So simply clear this option and type down 1024 and click on the shrink option to create unlocated space as well. And this is it guys, your new partition is now created and ready for use. You can access it through the file explorer as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.